The problem with this one here is that it doesn't charge very well. It's intermittent. Sometimes it will do fully charge and sometimes it won't. This side here, the right hand side for your ear, does seem to work okay. So I'm not too worried about that, but I will be servicing both of them and I'll tell you how that's done. First of all, I'm using alcohol. Here it is here. This is the alcohol I'm using. Now you can use, there are several other types of alcohol. You don't have to use that one. Just going to put some on this rag. Yeah, and those lights indicate that there's power inside, but there is no power actually inside of here until you plug it into the USB-C, which you plug here. So if you plug in a USB-C here and plug it into your charger, then you better charge it up. Now just check that these are charging. Now I've just plugged it in. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, then please like and subscribe.